You love the 2020 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, leather shift knob, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.